We have new developments in a story we brought you last week about a little girl awaiting a life-saving heart transplant who just happens to be a huge Justin Bieber fan. Well, right after Tanya Spencer's story aired, a generous viewer contacted her wanting to surprise the little girl with 2 free tickets to the Justin Bieber concert this summer. She has the follow-up you will only see on RTV6.
Alex got the extra tickets completely by accident. She ordered 2, but accidentally got 4. When she saw my story last week, she knew right away what she wanted to do with them. In a Justin Bieber gift bag, of course, Alexandra Trakoff packed more than free tickets, but a bag full of hope for a fellow believer. Alex learned about Caitlin Newell from our story last week. The 8-year-old has called this hospital room home for 3 months as she waits for a new heart. It's a story that touched Alex, who has had 3 surgeries at Riley herself.
She had a congenital heart defect as well, and I have a similar heart defect since I was born, so that kind of made a good connection there. I felt like I should do something for her, that she has something to look forward to.
After a week of secret planning, the strangers who share a heart defect and Bieber fever met today.
Can you say hi?
Hi, I'm Alex. How are you?
Good.
Do you know why I'm here? No. Well, I saw your story on the news, and I figured I'd come give you a present.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
After kissing Justin's picture on the bag, Caitlin discovered a book, other Bieber gifts, then the tickets.
Do you know what those are? Tickets.
Bringing a smile, Caitlin's mom, Robin, has been excited to see.
When you called me with the email, I started crying. It's a dream come true for her, I'm sure. Once she sees him in concert, she's going to love it.
I think it's going to give her something to look forward to.
It wasn't long before Caitlin and Alex were sharing their favorite songs.
Baby, never say never, a boyfriend, and
Beauty and the Beat?
believe.
All hope Caitlin gets her new heart in time for the concert. And they're working to get the rock star girl with the contagious laugh a personal visit from the Bieber. The Justin Bieber concert is at Bankers Life Fieldhouse on Wednesday, July 10th. Reporting at Riley, Tanya Spencer, RTV6.
Talk about acts of kindness. That is amazing. Right now, nearly 50 Hoosiers are waiting for a life-saving heart transplant. 5 of them are children. 1 is Caitlin. All of those kids are at Riley since they are the only hospital in the state that does organ transplants in children.